Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Now it may seem as though I've been quiet for the past few days, and that's true, I've been quiet. I've not been uploading as much as I should. However, just because I was quiet doesn't mean I wasn't up to anything. In fact, I was actually working on a project which I am very enthusiastic to share with you, which I decided to name the Istanbul Unity and Diversity Project. So in this project, the idea behind it is basically I went to interview around 10 to 15 people coming from different parts of the globe. And I decided to ask these individuals a set of questions, related to why they came here and why they decided to choose Istanbul. And mainly, what are the differences between this city, the city of Istanbul, and the city that they are coming from. Now, why did I decide to embark on this very difficult task? Mind you, interviewing more than 10 individuals is not an easy thing to do. The reason I decided to do this is because, in light of so many social tensions that's not just been going on in Istanbul, but around the world, people like to focus on what sets us apart and what makes us different from one another instead of focusing on the similarities. And from a Muslim's perspective, at the end of the day, what unites us is Islam. So that was really at the back of my mind when I set about with this project, and it was many other people's recommendation that I should somewhat also make this video as a tool and a purpose for da'wah to propagate and put forth my beautiful religion of Islam. And that's, one of the objectives of this project. Another reason that I also wanted to do this project is because many people coming from different countries. Let's say you're coming from Thailand, for instance, and you don't know how that city compares to the city of Istanbul. If you were a person watching, for instance, the video, one of the interviews that I've done from this project, you'd really get an understanding and an idea of how things are different and how things are similar. So this, I think, is one of the another factors that compelled me to make this video series. Is just, I just want to help people out wherever you're coming from. It's good to always know what you're getting yourself into. And watch them and share them with people who who may be coming from those countries. Maybe let's say you have some uncle in Abuja, Nigeria, or something like that. Share it with them. It may help him. I think that you'd really enjoy this video series. And Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. See you guys.